case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, the New York Supreme Court Appellate Division heard Miller v. Almquist, a case centered around the concept that both parties in a contract must agree to any deadlines and cannot unreasonably refuse to extend those deadlines, particularly if doing so would not cause harm to the opposing party. The case involved the sale of a cooperative unit for $545,000 between two neighbors. The buyers encountered delays related to a tax lien and lender issues, causing them to miss the closing date. Consequently, the seller's attorney declared the buyers in default and took their 10% down payment. The buyers then proposed a delay and offered $300/day for maintenance costs, but the sellers ultimately canceled the reservation, again declaring the buyers in default. The lower court sided with the sellers, but the appellate court found that they had breached the implied obligation of good faith and fair dealing by not granting a reasonable time extension and not demonstrating any harm caused by the delay. As a result, the appellate court reversed the decision and awarded the buyers a return of their down payment plus interest. The situation unfolded due to delays and miscommunication, ultimately preventing the buyers from combining the apartments for their growing family.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.